Okay, so this is Rush Creek and this is my room. So if we go in, come in and there's a really nice like lounge area. So this is the bedroom with a big queen size bed, power points next to it. A really nice seating area here, it's really big, and table and chair there with a phone. Just back here as well there's a coffee and tea making machine, a safe, a fridge for anything else that you want to keep in here, and the bathroom is through this area, so really nice sink, all of your towels and everything that you need, hairdryer, another mirror, no toilet round here, and this, which looks like a really nice shower. They've got the Rush Creek products there, so shampoo, conditioner, body wash. Such a nice place to stay. I really love this place already. I've just had a few hours sat outside and it is so relaxing and so nice. And if we go outside onto the balcony, so just pull this to one side, there's a seating area here, a really nice rocking chair, quite like that. I think I'll use that tonight. And it looks out onto the whole of the main part of the site, so the swimming pools and the communal area with the restaurant and bar, games room, just general area to kind of sit in. So there's a hot pool down over here, and then around the other side of the big swimming pool there's a salt water pool, loads of different seating, lounges, places to eat. So it's just such a nice site and I'm really gonna enjoy my time here.